Hi, I'm Katie with WTI, and I recently did a round of Whole30, and this ghee is what helped me get through it without feeling like I was missing out. This is sort of a butter alternative, except that it's actually made from butter, but it still has that nice richness that butter really gives to dishes. This is grass-fed ghee from Fourth and Heart. And I just love how great it is for sauteing veggies and proteins. A little bit of this goes a long way, and it definitely adds lots of great flavor to your dishes and lets you be Whole30 compliant. I also would make a butter sauce for chicken and spaghetti squash while I was on Whole30. And I have actually made it since then because it was so delicious. Nice and rich and creamy, using this grass-fed ghee. I love using this stuff, and if you haven't tried it and you're looking for a good butter substitute or an oil substitute that isn't full of chemicals, then you should check out this ghee. And that's my point of view.